the culture that protects the careers of powerful men who abuse women and survivors. We have all had enough. Register now. Please.
Appeal court stops taking Amber serious after collecting unseen clips of her being drunk. Amber Heard lost the infamous Amber Heard defamation trial, and she didn't take it well, blaming Johnny's legal team for manipulating the jury. She tried to get an appeal, but the courts do not think she deserves it. She really seems to have lost it, and this isn't the only reason to think she will not get an appeal. Keep watching to find out more about the situation. A day after a jury found Amber Heard defamed her ex-husband Johnny Depp and awarded him $15 million in damages, Heard's lawyer Elaine Bredehoft told several morning shows that the actress plans to appeal the verdict. According to Elaine Bredehoft, Depp's team demonized Heard and suppressed evidence. She claimed that Heard's lawyers were not permitted to inform the jury that Depp lost a libel case in the United Kingdom in 2020 against the British tabloid The Sun, which the actor sued after a headline referred to him as a wife-beater, and a judge found enough evidence to support Heard's claims about 12 instances of domestic abuse. However, it would be pretty far-fetching to suggest that Amber didn't play a role in her own defamation trial loss. Several people think that she tried to play herself up for the cameras, and it's pretty hard to disagree when watching this clip.
Johnny put me up in this room in this hotel while he finished the process of detox in LA, and I had my friends out with my girlfriends there to support me as per usual.
It certainly does not seem like Amber is the friendliest of people from this clip.
Why is he filming?
Detective.
Well, he just...
Detective, I'm sorry about
The cop's
this.
just bullied by that
I'm
guy,
sorry.
and this dude's
We
like,
met Jean-Claude Van letter. Get together.
Cop
Yeah,
newsletter?
just one for the newsletter. The sooner we get this done.
Get my car back.
But is it possible that she could still win her appeal and get a retrial? Well, Amber Heard made it clear that she would appeal the verdict as soon as Johnny Depp won his defamation case against her. But many people believe she's fighting a losing battle. Mitra Ahurian, a Los Angeles-based attorney, was skeptical of Heard's chances. The general consensus within the legal community is that Amber Heard will not win an appeal. An appellate court is unlikely to overturn the ruling of the lower court. Before indulging into the rest of the video, please note that this video is entirely based on generalized speculations and theories, and in no way does it aim at humiliating or defaming anyone. Not only is Amber unlikely to find support in the court itself, but she's also unlikely to find it in the general public. Her odd behavior during her testimonies certainly seemed to do more damage than good, and it was definitely noticed by trial watchers. Her notorious crying testimony went viral for seeming fake and forced. Watch for yourself and see if this would give the court a reason to believe she deserves an appeal.
You could feel the tension, but no one did anything. And I just remember feeling so embarrassed. I felt so embarrassed that he could kick me to the ground in front of people. And more embarrassing, I didn't know what to do about it. I got up and I walked to the front of the plane. I sat down and I just looked out of the window.
We think it'll be incredibly difficult for Amber to win an appeal, especially since she has a history of bizarre and sometimes demeaning behavior. And that being said, let us have a look at what the internet thinks. One Twitter user said, "So Amber Heard hired new attorneys that specialize in defamation and is trying appeal on freedom of speech grounds? I wonder how they'll explain edited evidence photos, leaked TMZ photos, and published edited photos with allegations as not defamatory." Another user was of the opinion that after Amber wins her appeal, "I want nothing more than for her to be able to move on with her life in peace. But at the same time, I want to see every creator, person involved in this smear campaign sued into the ground for cyberbullying, spearing, monetizing, or paying #Amber Heard." That's all for this video, folks. Do you think Amber Heard can upset the odds and win an appeal? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.